Video, I'm going to show you some of the materials I use in creating amazing artwork like this. So we are going to talk about pastel portrait drawing or painting. You understand? So pastel is one of the materials used in creating portraits or any type of artwork, but it normally comes in colored form. We have different type of pastel, whether you are a complete beginner or you are an experienced artist. With these materials that I'm about to share with you here, you can start practicing them, and with these tips can help you elevate and take your art to the next level. I don't know, you're based in or in figure painting or abstract painting or outdoor painting, but for me, I basically specialize in portrait making like this. You understand? So this is some of the materials that I've been using in creating my artwork. You know, materials are one of the important tools in creating artwork. So if you don't know how to use some of the materials, it's going to affect your art making. You understand? So I don't know about you the material that we're going to use. So here I have with me some of the pastel. You understand? So basically this is the pastel I use. It's in chalk form. When you apply it on the surface of the drawing you want to make, you're making, it's normally you'll be seeing some form of dust. So it is form of chalk. You understand? So this is the type of pastel I use. You understand? So you go try it out. If you can buy this one, I have master pastel. So basically this is the one I use in creating my artwork. You understand? Because some people will be asking me, yo bro, what type of pastel you use? So I use this one, and I combine them with some of the charcoal pastel pencil. You understand? So here we have this one. It looks somehow big. I don't know the name, but when you go to a store or any bookshop, you ask them. This is somehow big. You understand? So this one is skin to put it. I believe you all see this one. You understand? So I compare three of them while creating. Some of these tools are normally used on face. Some of the tight, the slim place that my hand cannot go in, I use some of the tools to blend the artwork. You understand what I'm saying? So like I said, materials are very, very important in making artwork. If you don't know how to use them, you will ask or study how to use them. It affects me while I was a beginner. So I think it's a need for me to also share this information for you so that you can choose one of them and practice. Like I said, there's different types of them. Some of them I buy and I don't know how to use them and I keep them. So, and I believe some of you are having the same challenge or same issue. You understand? So if you watch this video till now, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think of it, tell me where you're watching from. If I have anybody that is interested in learning art, you can also share my link with them. You understand? So these are just the basic things you need to know. So see you in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Peace and love.